Joy. Be like say go run go ask me go bring water. You know say mama no get money to buy this oil they sell for you.
Why we go buy water when I don't fetch water for house? In fact, you get the one where I hide for one place, may for cool. So no worry, make I go bring water.
Joy my pikin.
My mama, why just they fine like this?
Yeah, go, this kind of pikin wey God give me. You too understand
you want beat me, Joy?
Don't worry, before you come back, I don't carry all these things. This one, you don't say mama no get shishi. God, oh, thank you.
They go.
Sorry, please.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I greet you.
Okay, please, can you assist me with the direction? I'm
Okay,
going to where they're having a funeral.
Listen.
Funeral.
I beg, if you talk with you, I go feel here. I beg.
Oh, I mean burial.
Why they talk? They tell me funeral. The place gets blue zinc, abi?
Oh yes, you're correct. Late Matilda Obasi's place.
Late Matilda. That man a big man, oh. A big man die like that. They don't go. Death don't carry him go.
You're so resting.
Don't carry him. No, yes. May rest. I beg, may rest. So the place they far. Make I talk to you. They far small.
Far?
Just go. You go inside. So if you go now, you go see a place where they like this. You enter this one.
A place like how? Like this?
No. Nati.
Okay,
like
it's like a T junction.
Nati.
Okay.
You go like this.
Okay, on your right, I turn right.
You go like this. So if you go like that, you go straight. You go like this. You go see one big signboard.
Sorry, hold on. I'll turn right and I'll go straight and I'll turn left.
What's they call them like that? You go see one big signboard. You go, it there like this too. You go get one big signboard. After the signboard, you go see canopy. Plenty for the house. The house big, sha. Just they go. You understand? Make I talk them again.
No.
You get them?
Thank you. Down right, down left, then I'll see the signage. Oh, thank you.
Now signboard I talk, no be sign that thing.
Okay,
no be
thank
signage.
you. My name is John.
Oh, my name is Hey, Joy! John! JJ! Okocha. You know that man, Chevy?
Yes, the legendary footballer. You've got a great sense of humor, you know.
I guess.
Joy!
Oh, Mama, how you doing now? What you did? I think you've been doing.
I just remember today in the market, I didn't make I go ask who change.
Hey, you say me, I forget. Me, I don't even tell you again.
Joy, what you do for person motor?
Okay,
Chioma.
this one they find.
Jesus! John!
Okay, what's happen?
My baby.
Mommy, you're back.
Yes. How do you feel? You're still burning?
Yes, Mom.
Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, okay? Sorry, my love. I got you medication.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
It's okay. You have to take them now, alright?
I'll take them later.
No, it has to be now. You know, I couldn't concentrate at work, so I had to get you something that would help you feel better.
Mom, I'm weak.
I know.
I don't have the strength to get up from this bed to take these drugs. I promise you I will take them later.
Baby, you know I have to go back to work, right?
Mom.
But you promise to get up, put yourself together and take your medication?
Yes, Mom, I promise.
You sure?
Yes.
Be good, okay? By the time I come back, I want to meet you stronger and happy.
Yes, Mom.
Love you, baby.
I love you.
Be good for me, alright, my love?
No.
So, I have to go back now, okay?
Okay.
So, see you in a bit.
Bye.
Love you, Mikey. Bye. Follow the prescription, okay? It's all written on the card.
Alright, bye.
See you soon. Love you.
Love you. Come out.
Is she gone?
Yes, she's gone.
Hey,
Lock the door. Lock the door.
guy, that was close.
Yes, you can say that again.
Wait, you told her you were sick?
Yes. How do you think she was able to allow me to stay back? You know my mom. She would always force me to go to lesson. So I have to come up with something like this.
Girl, you are so smart.
You can say that again.
But then, what about the drugs? What are you going to do to it?
About it. The toilet will have to take it.
You,
Why don't we start from where we stop?
Music to my ears.
Hope you know you're going to stay over tonight.
What about your parents?
Forget about them. You know how we've always been doing it.
Well, yeah, I know, but isn't it risky?
It's not risky. It's not like you're going to walk into my room and start searching everywhere. We're going to pull it like we've always been pulling it.
Where I pull it?
Come on.
I beg you. Uncle John. No vex. I want to ask something. I want to ask you something. How you take know my mama?
Your mom is... She's actually my sister.
Hey, so now you be that brother. Hey, Jai. You see, mama don't tell me everything. No. You don't tell me everything when you do when make una vex. And I want... Hey, in fact, she dey sorry. I beg, make una forgive her. Look me for eye, tell me say you don't forgive my mama. I beg again.
I've forgiven her.
Chai, I beg.
Joy, make you dey go. I want phone and talk.
Sorry, I beg.
What do you do for here?
Is that what you have to say? After some, 25 years?
I know say I do una bad. I sabi that one. Now why I dey here, they receive this punishment jejely.
Is that what you call it? Chioma? Punishment. Chioma, take a good look at where you live. Just take a good look. What about your daughter? Does she go to school? Why don't you just come home instead of stay here and do this? All in the name of punishment and suffering.
Why? Why I go come back home? Why? Tell me. After everything when I don't do, why I go come back home? Do you see this place? Now my punishment, and I go serve am till I go die.
Hey, come on, that's a very ridiculous way of thinking. And you of all people should know better. Okay, you've made a mistake. And you've realized your errors. Why don't you just come home instead of staying and do this?
John, why you dey talk and say you don't know wetin I do? Why you dey talk like say you no sabi wetin I do? John, Mama and Papa send me go school. School, I no go. Class, I no enter. I dey follow man. John, I carry money. Where they suppose use street, Papa? Carry a rod. Follow man. Papa die. Mama join up. John, tell me how I go take come back house. How I go take come back house when I know say na me kill Papa and Mama? How I want to come back house?
You know, it's been so many years.
It no matter, John. It no matter at all.
It does, actually. Okay, what about your daughter? You wanted to pay the price for some what? The sins you've committed or what?
John, me and you know say as you sit down for there, you no like me. You hate me for everything when I do Papa and Mama.
Hey, don't say that.
No, they lie, John. No, they lie. No, they lie. No, they lie.
Okay, yeah, the truth is that I was upset about what you did. To be very honest, I got so pissed at your actions. But on the long run, I realized that you're my own blood. And you know, blood, they say, is thicker than water. After so many years, I decided to just let go of everything, and I searched for you. I looked for you, actually. I searched everywhere for you, all to no avail. And oh, thank goodness I ran into you today. Where and when I least expected. And to be honest, I'm not leaving this place without you.
No, they go anywhere.
Hey, come on, you know you don't have a choice. You're leaving this place with me.
John, I know they go anywhere.
Chioma.
John, allow me and my pikin dey here. I know they go anywhere. This place where you see so, waiting I bring for myself. And I go suffer until the day when I go die. I know they go anywhere, John. This thing now waiting I deserve. Now waiting I deserve with this, John. I know they go anywhere. Now here I go there. I know they go anywhere, John. No, they tell me this thing when you tell me, you know, say inside your heart, you never forgive me for waiting I do. I know they go anywhere, John. Leave me.
Just trust me to take very good care of her, okay? And see her through school. And also don't forget to give me a call whenever you need anything at all.
I go call. John.
Yes.
I beg. Now my life with this. I beg. Help me take care of her, I beg.
Yeah, sure, I will.
Joy. You know say you dey go township like this. You know be like this place, so. No forget where you dey come from. No forget everything when I don't tell you for this life. You dey hear me so?
I dey hear you, Mama.
No go there carry the way, oh. Read your book. Anything when my brother tell you, do it with your mind. Shebi you dey hear me? God go protect you, yeah? Amen. Nothing go do you.
Amen.
You go, you go come back.
Amen.
You hear me so?
Amen.
I go dey call. Yeah? I go call you.
You will.
Oh, yeah,
You say you dey follow me. I don't know why I just dey go like this.
You don't do, no worry.
Partner, come follow me.
Don't worry. Na township you dey go so, yeah? Oh yeah? Come here you dey go. Come here you dey go. No forget anything what I tell you. Oh.
Okay.
You dey hear me so?
Yeah, I don't hear you.
Don't worry, I will call you. I will call you, don't worry.
Okay, she?
John.
Yeah.
I beg now my life be this so.
Of course, trust me.
I beg, John.
No problem.
Sorry. Baby!
Hey, my love. How are
Sweetheart.
you? Oh, come here.
How was it?
How was
are
the
you?
trip?
Fabulous.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Welcome back, my love.
Thank you. How are you too?
Fine, thank you. So, how was the burial?
And everything went well, you know. The dead has been laid to rest.
That's really sad. Please so rest in peace.
Amen.
Welcome back, my love.
Thank you, my angel. Looking beautiful as always.
Thank you.
Babe,
Yes.
I brought someone.
Who's that?
A minute. Oh, yes.
Hey! Good evening, ma. Good evening.
Joy, please meet my wife, Joy.
Oh, God. Oh, you know, say, you get better eye. You get eye for, see as your wife fine like this. Hey, your wife fine, oh.
John?
Fine, pa.
Thank you.
John,
Yes.
I would like to have a word with you. Inside. Now.
Okay, I'm coming. I will be with you. Just make yourself.
She gets hot temper.
No, she's okay. Okay, just make yourself comfortable. I'll be right back. Yeah.
Surely, oh.
Sure. Babe.
Fine.
Babe.
I beg. Don't tell me anything. This house fine. Who do this house in get sense? Hey! Oh, DTV. Hey! Make a no shame, you not come beat me, oh. These people.
Hey, babe. Listen, I understand how you feel.
You do not understand how I feel. No, how do you understand how I feel? And then you just go to the village for some funeral and show up with a stranger in my house without informing your wife.
Hey, she's no stranger. She's my sister's daughter.
Oh, your sister. Please, can you remind me which of your sisters you're talking about? Chioma, of course, right? No, I mean, Chioma, your sister, right? The last time I checked, Chioma is the same sister of yours who had your father killed. Chioma now, the Chioma who ran off with your father's treatment money. And he couldn't get the treatment, so he died. And your mother followed suit. The same Chioma that the entire community laid a curse on. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you think bringing her cursed child into my house is the best decision?
Look, when I saw them today, I saw them in such terrible suffering state, and I knew I had to do something.
Oh, and like the superhero that you are, the only thing that came to your mind was bringing that cursed child into my house.
Come on, babe. Come on.
What's common about this? You don't even see sense in what I'm saying. You cannot take this kind of decisions without informing your wife.
Babe.
This is too important. I live here.
Babe.
What? Don't babe me. Don't babe me. She cannot be here. She can't live in this house with my child because she's cursed.
Okay, listen. I am sorry for taking a decision of not informing you before bringing her into this house. But I can't send her out of this house either.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Really?
That's the only way I can fend for her and take the responsibility off my sister's shoulder and also send Joy to school. Irrespective of whatever went down, Chioma is still my sister. My own blood.
Oh, you must think this is some kind of orphanage where stray dogs just come in and out. I am not having that girl in this house, and that's on period.
Babe.
This house too fine. Forget, this house too fine, waiting. And they get TV. Just look at the TV. This one big plus the one where we they watch for Chifuku TV. See this white thing waiting for you, waiting. God, look at house. Look. Hey. This one now. Khaki? No, this one no fit be khaki. Nah, plenty things there for fancy for this house, oh. Why then go they put fancy?
Excuse me?
Hey, auntie me.
What do you think you're doing?
No, I just did look your house. Your house too fine.
Shut up. You talk too much. Goodness, I can't even stand you. Listen and listen very good. This is the last time you lay your rusty hands on any of my property. Do I make myself clear? Do I make myself clear? Excuse me. Rubbish. Ha.
Uncle,
Come, let me take you to your room.
is it my room? So I get room for this house? I get room! You give me room!
Not really. It's a room where you'll be sharing the same space actually with your cousin.
My cousin. I get cousin.
It's cousin.
Cousin.
My daughter.
Oh, you get daughter. You get daughter on top of the fine wife and house where you get. Oh God, everything not complete for you. Like make her carry my bag. Hey, God don't bless you. See how CTV. What is this thing wait there for here? Me, I don't get confused. Why you go put something like that for fans? What did they use and do?
I thought you said you had your father's car drive into the house.
Yes, I did.
Don't you think you should like go out and greet him or something?
No. Have you forgotten? I'm sick. So he's the one that's supposed to come to my room.
Okay.
Baby, your dad is here.
Rush.
Can I come in? Can I?
Come in.
Oh, come in, please. Sleepy, sleepy. Oh, baby girl.
Dad.
How are you?
Fine, you look cool.
Are you okay?
No, Dad, I'm sick.
You're sick? Your mom never mentioned that to me.
Although she got me medication.
Oh, she did?
Yes.
Fantastic.
Sorry, cuz. Sorry.
Joy, meet my beautiful daughter,
Beautiful.
Amelia. My angel, meet your cousin, Joy.
Good evening.
I know, don't worry, with time. She'll find a way around it, yes. So, this is your cousin, and she'll be sharing the space with you, okay?
What space?
Your room.
What? No, Dad. Dad, you know, I can't share my room with a stranger. I can't.
Hey.
Why will you just bring someone and say I will share my room with her? I don't even know her.
Amelia, what is wrong with you? I taught you this. You should learn how to accommodate people in your space, no matter where you find yourself. Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay? So, Joy, please settle in. Have your bath and come down later for dinner, okay?
What?
Yes. Yes. So, I'll see you girls later then.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can be good now.
Okay.
No, I won't be this. Hey! Cause how you dey now? You see say, me I don't know. I don't know say I get cause for this life. I think say na only me waka come this life. But you follow me come. I dey happy. Now we got the share room. Hey, and you see you fine. You fine, die. You know, guess what I don't see for this life, we fine. But you see all this men came for our village, them. They're not fine. In fact, you fine past your mom and your papa. I go tell you. If nobody go tell you, I go tell you. Hey, so I get cause we fine like this. You fine.
No.
Wait,
No. Never. Just stand there. Don't move an inch, please. Mom!
Yes, princess?
Mom, how could you? How could you let Dad do this to us? Listen, this isn't my fault. It isn't. I had no idea. Mom.
Yes?
Dad didn't tell you as well?
No, he didn't. They just showed up.
Why? Why? Now he wants me to share my room with that girl. Mom, you know it can't be possible. I cannot share my room without a local, dirty smelling girl. I cannot.
Listen, I know how difficult this is for you, okay? Especially considering the fact that you haven't shared anything with anyone. I mean, you practically don't even have any sibling. But listen, I am going to fix this. Just give me time, please. All right? And what are you doing here? Get out. Get out!
Sorry. I be won't ask. Like, where I fit get bucket? Now get bucket for how?
Are you deaf? Can you get your dirty self out of this place this minute? Go! God, she's frustrating. She's just frustrating my life. Mom, where did that bring this girl from? Just give me time. Okay? Please talk to Daddy.
It's okay.
Talk to him.
It's okay. Come. Come, my baby. Shh. I'll fix this. I promise you. Okay? We need to talk.
Okay. I can hear you.
I cannot continue to have that girl in this house. My daughter cannot share her room with her because she's not used to it.
Hey, come on, babe. What's the problem? We talked about this. Okay, how many rooms do we have in this house? 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
Amelia is in one of them. Mm-hmm. And we occupy the other one. Okay, tell me, Tara, what do you suggest we do?
Simple. Take her back. Take her back to where you brought her.
Come on now.
After all, she was somewhere. You brought her from somewhere. Just return her.
We already talked about this.
So why can't you do that? Shouldn't you have considered the fact that we had just 2 rooms before importing a total stranger? Shouldn't you have?
Why are you sounding this way? I told you that I didn't have time to think when I made the decision of bringing her here in the first place. I saw them in such terrible suffering state and I decided to just pick her up and I brought her here just to assist them. That's the only way I can help.
Oh, well, your decision is inconveniencing all of us, especially my daughter, because she's the one at the receiving end. Yes. So just take her back. It's not difficult. Return her. We don't have space enough to host someone. What is it? Her mother made her decisions in life, bad decisions, so she should, live up to it. She has laid her bed, let her lie on it.
Hold on. Imagine Joy was our child. With no access to education, nothing to eat. Just imagine
No, wait, why would I just sit down and start imagining nonsense? Like, seriously, what sort of imagination is that? Am I high? Why would you even think of comparing my child to that low-life and classless human being?
Babe.
No, please. No matter what happens in life, do not ever. I mean, there's no basis for comparison. Don't bring my child into this.
Babe, what's the problem?
Yeah, when you make bad decisions in life, you take responsibility.
But I told you that her mom suffered enough. She has suffered enough for the things that she has done.
Oh, so it's about time to suffer.
Is she regretting them? She regrets them.
Rubbish.
For someone to open her mouth and say she's willing to die in such terrible state, what do you expect? And you want a daughter to suffer the same fate?
None of my business. You have to take her back. Return her.
And what if we had other children?
Well, we do not. Do we? We don't.
Then Amelia will have to learn to act as though she has another sibling. In actual fact, Joy is a sibling, is a sister, a cousin. And there's nothing I can do about it. I can't send Joy out of this house. Please, and I beg of you, my darling wife, Tara, help me on this. Help me, I need your assistance, please.
this house. My daughter will not inconvenience herself to please anyone. And if I want another child, I will birth one. Do not import a child for me, okay? Especially a cursed one. I am not interested. Rubbish.
Babe. Joy. Joy.
Hey, Uncle, how you doing now?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I want just rush bath.
Out here?
We dey hide am. So make I tell you, for village, if you enter house, you know see that small bedroom, that small toilet where we dey use bath. You bath outside. Pour water for body come out. That's what we dey do.
No, we don't behave that way here. We don't do like that here.
Okay, don't be so do.
At all.
Okay.
Far from it. Besides, where did you get this bucket from?
Oh, this bucket, I see am for back there. You need advise people wey dey this house. The person wey use am bath last, e dirty am. E be like something wey they put for gutter. I no like am. Na me come wash am now, come put water, come warm bath.
Okay,
no fine.
No problem. Sorry about that. But you can't have your bath here, okay? I'll take you to where you can have your bath.
Oh, you get where I go fit bath?
Yes.
Make we dey go now.
No. Leave the bucket. Yes.
Make I leave bucket where I go. You which water where I go use bath now?
Oh, it's inside. I will take you
Oh,
inside.
you get water inside, make I go. You go take me inside, make I bath.
Yes.
I don't understand. Hey! You go take me inside, make I bath for inside house.
Yes.
Hey! Una dey bath for inside house for here. Una finish, una pour water for your body everywhere go poto. Una no dey neat. Una dey dirty.
Pot what?
Poto. If you no know say if you pour water for ground, for inside house, if you go parlor now dey bath. You no fine now. E fine for your eye. You no fine.
It's not possible. Pot not inside my house, okay?
So where we go fit bath now? Where dey for inside that house? Where no be for these places where I dey see.
Okay, come. I'll take you to the place. Okay?
I don't understand this one where you tell me say me I go go.
Joy, come with me. You'll set the place for yourself. Huh?
You go wait, make I bring my wrapper now. You won't frustrate me. See, make I come bath inside house. If the place no fine, I no go bath for. I no go bath.
And what was this?
Now my soap and my sponge where they use now.
Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay.
It's me. Open the door.
Are you sure? What's going on?
My father, he brought in a strange girl saying she's going to stay with us in the house. The worst part right now is he said she's going to share my room with me.
What?
I don't know what's wrong with my father sometimes. I don't know.
What are we going to do now? You know, if she sees me...
No. She will not. She won't even dare. But if she does, I'm dead. I'm dead if she sees you. So she won't trust me.
Okay, so what do we do now?
Oh! Okay, Dad. You can come in.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey. Why
Dad, what's it?
didn't you show her to the bathroom?
She didn't tell me she wanted to make use of the bathroom.
Hey, come on. You were here when I made mention of her going to have a bath.
Dad! You didn't tell me you brought her here for me to be her babysitter.
Oh, okay. My bad. I apologize. Joy, please come. Let me go to the bathroom.
You know what? I messed the bathroom, so I'll just quickly rush in and clean it, then I will take her inside. So you don't need to stress yourself.
Listen, I understand that it was impromptu bringing her into this house, but trust me, if it wasn't important, I wouldn't have. I hope you understand.
I do.
Okay. So, that's all, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, a sister, please.
All right.
be back.
Okay. Before that, drop it to the living room. Then I'll take you to where you take a bed.
Sorry. Is it a live room? What did you talk with that? You say make I take him to where?
I'm sure I'm not speaking in tongues.
No, you know they speak for tongue. Now just say I don't hear you where. If na live room you talk, Abi. Sorry. Make I just drop we say I go. Sorry. I don't hear what you talk, but if I go there, I go find her.
Yeah, very good. Olive, come out. Olive. The worst has happened.
What now?
She wants to make use of the bathroom.
Eh? What? What am I going to do?
I don't know. Okay. This is what we're going to do. Huh? Alright, you're going to look for somewhere else to hide. Immediately she enters the bathroom to take her bath, you will come outside and we will find a way to take you out of this house immediately.
You see, you're not saying something. The question is, where do I hide?
Hey, this place where she talk like that. Talk with this. I think she's
Joy.
saying knife. Oh!
Have you had your bath?
Bath? No. Call say make I drop this thing for live room. Then I go bath.
You said what?
I said call say make I drop this book for live room. Then I go bath.
Live room. Oh, you mean the living room?
Hey, bam, that's what she talk about. That's what she talk about.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. No vex, make I just ask you. Where
okay.
this place where should they talk? They live, yeah. That.
Oh, it's this place where you're standing.
Now this place
This
is
is the living room, actually.
I think they call this place parlor.
Oh, it's also called a living room.
Oh, that's hey! This is my brain, Seth. This is my brain. I go let her know something. See this something, I go know.
Don't worry, just a matter of time you'll get acquainted with all these things, okay? Yeah.
See, I go get with it.
Acquainted?
Acquainted.
Okay, you know what, don't worry, just go freshen up. When you're back, I'll put you through these words and some other things you need to learn.
Thank you.
You're
I go
welcome.
like this place follow for the live room.
Yes, sure. And by the way, let me see the book.
She just say make I drop her for a live room. Okay. She not come tell me say the place where I go drop her for inside the live room.
It's living room. Say it. Living room.
Living room. I get her.
You tried.
Hey, make I go back and they come.
What in the world is live room, God, please? It's called the living room. Anyway, it's a matter of time. I'll put you through. What book is this? The thing behind the veil.
Okay. This is where you're going to have your beats.
I beg no vex. Now bath I want bath.
It's same.
For here.
Yes.
How I go take bath for inside here way too fine like this? How you want make I bath now? You don't think I'm saying if this girl pour water from ground now, poto go do everywhere. You don't think I'm...
Can you shut up? Just keep quiet. I know you're a bush girl, but please behave yourself for once. Now, bathe or bath.
He needs nothing. This one go dey vex. They para like person when they beat.
Come, let's go.
Shh, relax. I don't get though. How she want make I bath for here now? I mean, make I not put water for body. They don't even give me the water when they tell me make I drop for outside. They don't give me bucket. They don't give me anything. They bring me here make I cause dirty so that they go tell me make I clean am. I be, you know, sure say this girl don't know where Uncle say make she take me. Make I go meet Uncle. I be make I just wetin I go fit do for here now. Wetin be this sef? God. Just they confuse me for this house. I don't even know where to go. And if you just leave me make a bath for outside there, it's simple, it's easy.
Relax. Just calm down. Once he leaves the city room, we are going to find a way to take you out.
I shouldn't have come here today. I swear I shouldn't have come here.
Just... why you sounding like this? Huh? You and I know if my friend sees you here, I'll be the one in trouble, not you.
Really? You think you'll just be in trouble? Do you know what they will do to me if they find me here?
Nobody will see you. Nobody will see you.
Hey! Jesus Christ! What's the name for here? What's the name for this place? Jesus, I tell you nothing. They know the boss for inside house. What's the name on the phone now?
Just turn the shower off. I'm coming. What rain? Why are you on the shower heater? Huh? Switch this off. On this, make use of this part. Can you believe this idiot put on the hot water? Relax. Like I said, we are going to find a way out of this.
I hope so.
Well, she's almost done taking her beats. So I was thinking maybe you can just go back inside.
I should go back there again.
You won't want her to see you. Just go. Where's Mom? I'm hungry.
You know you should be the one actually helping your mom out in the kitchen. And not sit here waiting for the food with me.
Dad, you know I'm not feeling well. I'm sick.
As if you were helping her when you were okay. I mean, like, you're not young anymore. And you should learn how to do the house chores. If you continue this way, you only end up spoiling yourself instead of helping and grooming yourself. By the way, where is your sister?
I'm not a keeper.
Don't be rude.
Sorry, Dad.
Hey! Nothing they smell like this. Jesus! This food. Now so it is. This food they smell well, oh. Where pure water make I drink? Oh, now don't pour for cup. Oh, yeah, pour for me now. Now this one they enjoy for here. No be stupid. Hey! See all this time where I dey for house, we don't eat still like that. Now and when my mama cook am, hey, you go know say person don't cook stew. Because the stew, you go dey smell well, you go dey taste well, everything, you go just well. God.
Are you trying to say that my sister Chama doesn't make stew all the time?
They cook, but like one time, a month, one time. Hey, auntie, wait you want me to help you? Please, just please. No need to beg me. I say make I help you.
Wait, why is she so clumsy? What is this?
Joy, please, can you sit?
Sorry, oh. Now help, I'll be all help.
Shh. She said shut up. Keep quiet.
Hey.
It's tough with this girl.
No, life tough, oh. Normally. Life tough. Normally. Sorry.
Was she raised in the barracks?
Me?
Yes.
No, for village they raised me, oh.
I apologize. Sorry. On our behalf.
Sorry.
Moving on.
dey waste too much time for yourself. Let's chop.
Take come in there.
Give him that one. Now him be the madam of the house. Give him that one.
Joy.
Don't worry.
Behave.
Sorry.
Sorry, my love. Smile a little for me, honey.
Chai. Sorry. They give the daughter 2 minutes. No, 3 minutes. That's all now they do for you.
But that's my plate.
Now they enjoy it. They will carry 2 big meats. Oh, my. Mama carry 2 big ones.
Pray for us, my darling.
Before the prayer, hey babe, you dished everyone's food except Joy's.
Who do you think I am? Some sort of maid? I dished food to the people that I owe duty of care and responsibility. You are my responsibility and my daughter is my responsibility. I don't know any other person on this table. I see nobody. Excuse me. Pray, let's eat.
Okay, you know what? You can.
No! Why you want to do that kind of thing? No, I beg. See, I they hungry, but no. Chop your food. Which one you go come chop? I go just dey look una go dey chop. No be say I want.
I insist. I'll help myself out.
Oh God.
Hey, babe.
Auntie, you don't want chop again?
It's fine. I guess I'll just eat in my room.
Amelia.
No want chop. I been also they make her go.
Joy. Eat your food.
Ha. She no come put the water for me again.
Now I'll teach you something. Number 1 rule. When it's time to eat, you don't talk too much on the dining table. It's table etiquette. Okay? It's a gradual process.
No, they greet
and
the
you're
food.
still talking. And I expect you to start eating.
Relax. I know you're very hungry.
Is this all?
Yes, I managed to get this for you. It was very difficult, but I succeeded in getting it for you.
See, if I'm able to leave this place successfully, I swear, I'll go for Thanksgiving.
Yes, we'll go for Thanksgiving. Just eat up. Calm down.
This is money. What the water?
Water? I'll get it for you. Easy.
I'm calm.
Hey, Joy. Are you okay? Joy.
do. I no do, okay.
What is it?
Everybody wait there for this house. Now only you like me. Auntie, cause they don't like me.
Hey, come on, look. You know, you don't expect people to accept strangers like that and just warm up to them on meeting them for the first time. It's just a matter of time they'll get to like you.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure say they go get to like me. I'm not sure. And uncle, see wetin I have for this life. Now to be the one where they cause wahala for anywhere. Anywhere where I go out, I don't like wahala. So if I be the one where they cause wahala for this house, it no go good.
Joy, you're not causing any wahala. You're not causing any problem in this house.
I don't dey cause am.
No, you're not.
No, just wetin happen for here now. Because of me, I don't even know what I do. Everybody vex comot. As you comot, this one tell me it's your fault. I don't know what I do.
Joy, you know, like I said before, you don't come into a place and you expect them to just warm up to you like that. You know, they're not, my wife and daughter, they're not actually used to people being around them that much. So trust me when I tell you this. It's only a matter of time they'll warm up to you and they'll get to like you.
Me now.
I am serious, extremely serious about it.
So they go finally like me.
Trust me, they will.
Cause go like me, auntie go like me. Cause I like them all. I like them well. They're fine. They're fine. I don't know wetin happen. Wetin I do them. I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know. I confused.
I will talk to them. These are my wife and daughter we're talking about here, okay? I'll talk to them. Just shake it off. Okay?
Now verse I dey verse, but
Okay.
why you come to laugh?
I'm sorry.
Don't be you tell me shake it.
No, that's not what I meant. But okay.
See, anything we go bring peace now, wetin I like to dey do. If to dey shake am, they shake every time they go bring peace, I go dey do am. Because
Okay.
I don't know why they don't like me.
They'll like you. Okay.
I mean, sef me, I confused why they laugh. Because
mean,
now you talk am now, shake it.
Okay, I am no longer laughing.
Uncle, I beg, I feel ask you something.
Yeah, sure. You can go ahead and
You know,
ask.
say, since we reach here, I never talk to my mama. Yeah, and I don't miss her. So, you go fit give me your phone, make I just two
Yes,
minutes.
sure. Why not?
Please, I beg.
Okay, now let me just bring up the number for you.
Yeah, I beg.
Okay, yes.
I am be this.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I just pray, okay. Make I go talk to him outside.
Oh, no problem.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Mama.
My pikin, how you
Hey.
dey?
I dey fine, oh, I dey. How you
I
dey?
dey good oh, Mom, I dey good. I just dey miss
I
you.
miss you pass. I miss you.
How John and him people now?
Them dey okay.
Chai, I hope so they like you. My pikin, you dey there?
Yes, I dey now. I dey here.
I been dey ask. I say hope say John and him people they like you.
Yes. Why they no go like me now? My name be Joy. They like me.
Ah, okay. Cause me I been dey worry you. I been dey fear say them no go like you.
Hey, no worry yourself.
Okay.
No worry yourself.
Okay.
Eh? Just no worry about anything. The only thing where I want me you do now to take care of yourself. You understand? Very soon I go school. When I go school, I could pack plenty money. I go work, pack money, come out you for that place where you dey. But for now, you go dey take care of yourself. Eh?
So what do you? One, take care of yourself, yeah?
You don't do, eh? No worry again.
Ngwanu na.
Take care.
Okay, well, bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Who be this?
Shut up. Listen, you must not tell my parents about this. Because if you do, I'm going to deny it. And guess who they're going to believe? Me. So keep shut. Hey. Babe, let's go. Jesus. Jesus.
What do you want to do? I want to lie down for bed now, sleep. Sleep, they catch me.
Which bed? I don't understand. Is this your bed?
Huh? But Uncle John said make we share. The room now, not the bed.
He said share the room, not my bed. Yes, I will not let you lie on my bed.
I don't understand. I don't understand. Where you want make a lie down?
That's your business, not mine. Please. Rubbish.
See the kind of small body where you get. You want to use am lie down for this bed we go fit carry like 4 people. Yeah. So where you want make a lie down now?
Figure that out yourself.
Okay. Nobody dey intimidate me. Oh. Anything where you give me, I go carry and give you back. Look at cook down for now. Akuku no dey sleep with pillow for village. So carry am. Lie down. Hey. Grand go. He's hunky person.
It's fine. Babe. Oh. Babe. Are you really going to go to bed without talking to me? Babe. Okay. Good night.
What are you doing in my kitchen?
Good morning.
That's not the question. What are you doing in my kitchen?
No vex. I just dey wash plate for kitchen. No, I'm not doing any other thing. I just
Listen and listen very good. I know you're deaf, all right? But I want to believe that somewhere in there, you can at least hear me. Do not enter into my kitchen again. Do I make myself clear? I do not want to see you in my kitchen again. Now get out! Out of my presence! Little witch.
Yeah.
Uncle. Good morning.
Hey, Joy. You're up so early.
Yes.
Morning. How are you?
I just did.
You rested well?
Yeah, I rest. I just make I wash the car, commodity for your body.
But you shouldn't be doing this. I usually take my car to the car wash.
Car wash, okay? No need, sef. As I don't come this house now, I go dey run am for you. Sharp.
But still...
No wahala, no worry yourself. Maybe if you carry this car and go car wash your house, they go collect money. You go throw away money for something where me I fit do. No, don't worry now. Make I just run am sharp.
but I can't imagine a lady
Uncle! No worry yourself. You too dey worry. I don't tell you, say, I don't finish. Just remain this part, sef. Only this one remain. I don't finish.
Okay.
You don't do.
No problem. I just wanted to take something from the car.
No wahala. Let's.
Well done, okay?
Thank you. You don't do now. No, they tell me thank you. You don't do. You can't be well done. You don't do. I'm here.
Oh, you're here. Hey, babe. Well done. At least this house is actually going to feel your presence, that joy is around. Just like your name, Joy. There will be joy in the morning. Well done, okay? Yes, great job. Beloved, please help me out with this, okay? I was actually looking for you. Please. I love what you're wearing. You look so beautiful, especially in green. As you say, I made the right choice with you. Hey, come on, don't tell me you're still upset.
Mommy, is food ready?
Really? Is food ready?
Oh, Dad, good morning. Mom, I'm hungry.
Young woman, I'm talking to you. Yo, look at the time you're waking up. The first thing you do when you wake up in the morning is, good morning, is food ready, really? You know, in actual fact, you should be the one making breakfast and not your mom.
But Dad.
No, don't but Dad me, Amelia. Come to think of it, okay. Take a good look at Joy behind you. She woke up so early, she's washed the car, and now she's cleaning up the entire house, including the same place you're sitting on. Can't you feel it? It's very neat. And you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is, is food ready, really? Because I didn't know who did this to you. Where's your home training? I didn't teach you like this. I didn't teach you this.
Well, I guess you can fix that yourself.
Hey, babe, come now.
You know this is your fault, right? This is your fault. Not up to 24 hours you came into this house. My parents are already having issues.
Babe. Hey, babe. What's up?
No, how dare you, John? How dare you compare my child to that thing? That classless and low-life idiot. How dare you? I mean, what is the basis for comparison here? What?
Are you referring
to my niece as that thing?
Well, I can address her however it pleases me.
Okay. I'm not gonna fight with you this morning. Okay.
What's in the mood for that rubbish? Nonsense.
I'm really sorry about what happened the other day.
It's okay. You know, now that I think about it, it was quite exciting, you know?
Really?
Yes. For me, it was a most memorable day.
Of course, indeed, it was the most memorable day.
What about your cousin? Did she say anything?
My cousin? No, she didn't. And even if she did, my parents wouldn't believe her because they trust me.
Well, I mean, that's good for us then, right?
Yes.
By the way, shouldn't you be in lesson?
Lesson? What will I be in lesson doing? That boring place. I've been thinking, why don't you come with me to my house? Now my parents are not around. I've missed you.
How about your cousin?
She's not a problem. Just forget about her. She won't do anything. She can't.
Okay, I'll come. But I'll have to leave before your parents come back.
Of course.
I don't want the most memorable day to happen again.
Okay, let me quickly rush to my lesson center, pick up my bag so we can move.
All right, let's go.
Almost CTV. See as it big like wetin I don't know. Ha! See, I wish say my mama dey here. She for sit here now. As we dey gist, we dey watch, we dey drink, we dey hey. But don't worry yourself. I go make am, go carry am. See, people say they don't get sense, so as you see them, so they don't get sense. There's Cause you don't come back. Nah, school don't close. What's happen? Why they spoil your face like that? Babe, come. You again? What you do for this house?
Up. Mind your business. Mind your business. Baby, let's go. Yes, let's go.
Hey! What's this girl they do? Eh? She just come on now. See, she dey go school. She can't come back with a man. No, I'm not gonna agree. I'm not gonna agree. Jesus! Jesus! Joy, cause what are you doing here? Huh? So now this thing you dey do. Now this thing too often they do.
Come on, will you shut up? Keep quiet. Joy, get out.
I no go get out.
Joy!
Now here I go stay.
Joy!
I know they go anywhere. Now Joy be my name. So now wetin you dey do, eh? You go come over for house in the morning. You go do like say you dey go school. But you go come back when papa and mama don't go work. Come back with man. Me I think say na book una come read o. I know say na this thing una dey do.
Get out of my room.
Now our room be this. Shebi Uncle John say na me and you get this room. I go stay here.
Fine.
Now this room I go stay.
Fine, stay. My love, let's go to the living room.
Hey, my love.
Come, let's go.
You don't dey call am my love. You dey follow. You dey follow. You dey push me on top.
Stay there.
You dey push me on top. Hey. Joy, you no get wetin you never see for this your eye. So na this thing this girl dey do. She go dey come, she go dey do like say she be lovely. In fact, Mel!
I've missed you.
I miss
What are
you
you
too.
doing? Why are you doing like that?
What did happen here? Oh, you there, though, man. You just smile. Oh, stop, nah. Now, what did they do?
Joy, are you mad? Why are you frustrating my life?
See, come.
I left you in the room. Why are you here?
I dey try help your life. Now, help, I won't help you. No, you know they say I'm.
Which stupid help? Did I ask for help?
My mama tell me say, man no good. Man no good. Man don't do something for this life. So man no good. Especially this one when he they like fufu. He no good. He go machete you. He go.
Hey, enough, please. Peacefully leave this place now.
I know they go anywhere. Now here I want the
Joy, get out this minute.
I been dey watch TV now. See, you know say as he on they show. Now me they watch am. Now you on am.
See, just leave her. Leave her alone. Maybe next time we'll just pick up things from here.
Pick up wetin? You get wetin you do for this house when you won't pick up. See, no they deceive my cause so. No they deceive my cause. You dey talk plenty nonsense for him ear. No they deceive am.
Shut up! Rubbish. My lord, maybe we should just go. This time we'll continue from next time.
Continue with. Don't you know you won't continue?
That's the best thing. Like, please, can you get me a glass of water?
Okay, no, thanks.
I'm tired.
You want the other water for your papa house now?
What is it?
Yeah, make we talk.
Talk about
Bring
what?
your voice down. Make we talk. Calm down. Why you dey pound? I don't like this thing where you did do. I don't like how you won't deceive my cause. You won't scatter because I know say this thing now. You go kill her. Let's do this one.
Can you stop talking? Don't you know you smell?
Me? I dey smell. Even I say craze don't come up for your head. Shebi something dey worry your head. How you go tell me say me I dey smell? You dey insult me. You know how I dey bath? If you see the way I dey bath, for that thing I don't know where they call am na inside house e dey. If you see the way I dey scrub my body, you go pity me. Why you dey insult me? I come stand. Me and you talk like two people wey get sense. Even though I know say nothing dey this your head. You come dey talk nonsense. If I insult you, you no go like yourself oh. Just close your mouth. Auntie, welcome. E good as you come back like by this time. Welcome.
What in God's name is going on in my house?
I go tell you. He won't run oh! Auntie, catch am! Hey, you no fit catch am? Catch am na! Na catch you suppose catch that boy oh.
Are you okay?
I dey okay na.
What is going on in my house and who was that guy?
The thing is be say I don't even know who him be. I don't know who him be.
What do you mean you don't know?
Na cause.
Cause what? My child did what?
Cause bring and come this house. Na cause bring the man.
Are you mad? Are you okay? What do you think you're referring to? My own child? A well-brought-up child? You're trying to tell me that my child that left for lesson this morning brought a man into this house because she's not a ghost?
Na true you talk oh. She go lesson. I know say she no go lesson. But she come back with man. When you wanna come out for work, she come back with man. She even dey kitchen. She go bring water. Make we go check. She dey kitchen.
That sounds so much like the prostitute you call a mother who brought you up. Certainly not my child.
No. Auntie, I don't like this thing where you dey talk now. I think you say she dey there.
Amelia! Huh? How did you get here?
E good as you come back like by this time. Welcome.
What in God's name is going on in my house?
I go tell you. He won't run oh! Auntie, catch am! Hey, you no fit catch am? Catch am na! Na catch you suppose catch that boy oh.
Hope you didn't tell her anything.
No. But then, I don't know what your cousin will say to her.
Forget about her. As long as she didn't say anything to my mother,
No.
and she didn't see me at home, then whatsoever thing my cousin says does not count. You know what? I need to rush back to my lesson center. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
I'll see you another day.
All
Bye.
right. Take care.
No, she been there here. I know where I dey talk. She been there here.
How dare you? when you lay false allegation against my child?
I know they lay that thing and they tell you say she been dead and she entered there.
Will you keep quiet? Shut the gutter you call a mouth. What do you think you're talking to? You're trying to tell me about a child that I bettered and I've lived with all my life. Is it? You want to bring your mother's messed up lifestyle into my home and you dare to pin it on my child? Huh?
I know it's how they talk.
One more word. One more word from you. I promise I'm going to break every single bone you have in your body. Now you get out there, kneel under the sun with your hands up, your mouth opened until my husband comes back. When he comes back, we're going to decide what to do with a cheap slut like you. Now get out.
No be me bring that man come. I know it's how they talk. No be me bring that man come.
I mean, am I surprised? What was I expecting? What was I expecting? You're never ever gonna turn out good. You can never be better than the cheap prostitute of a mother who raised you. Idiots.
Why is she leaving now? Joy. What happened?
Auntie say make I kneel down.
Why? What did you Sorry. What happened? What did you do? Okay, you know what? I'll talk to her, okay? Excuse me. Why are you not, babe? Babe! 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 Oh. Babe, come on. I just returned and I saw Joy kneeling outside under the sun. What happened?
Why?
Yes.
Shouldn't you have asked me what she did instead of why?
Okay. What did she do?
She brought a man home.
What?
You heard me.
How?
Joy brought a man home. Yeah, you shouldn't ask me how. She learned from the best. She learned from the master, her mother. So the question of how shouldn't even come in play.
But Joy is barely 14 years.
I know. How old was her mother, your sister, when she started?
Must you have to bring in my sister into every conversation we try to have or dialoguing?
Especially when it has to do with her daughter, and especially when it has to do with a girl frolicking with men. I mean, little girl. I mean, how do we even separate your sister from this conversation? She's the master. Her daughter learned from her. I mean, the daughter of a prostitute is a prostitute. Her mother laid the precedent.
In essence?
In essence, she's taking her mother's footsteps. Her mother was quite young when she had her, almost about the same age, and she just started her own. I mean, I can't even blame her. Don't expect her to act different or be better than her mother that birthed her out of prostitution. So, I mean, it's given. You cannot separate her from the conversation, my darling. It is what it is. Why are you acting shocked and surprised? A goat can only give birth to a goat, not a cow. Once a prostitute, always a prostitute.
Okay. Here. Drink. Easy. How do you feel?
Thank you, Uncle.
You're welcome. So, Joy.
Yes, Uncle.
What happened? I want the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Okay. Now, so, I sit down here, they watch TV today with juice. I pour juice, I carry juice, they drink am. So, next thing I see, door open. As door open, calls come inside. I come dey ask am, how you take come out from school? Your school don't close, abi your school no dey. You understand that kind of thing? So next thing, man, she come open door. man can't come inside. How come they ask am, why this, wetin this man will do for here? She can't tell me, make I mind my business. She even talk am, come my face, talk am, mind your business.
Wait, Amelia and a guy?
Now wetin I dey try talk with that? In carry man come. So they can't enter room. They can't go upstairs, go room. Me, I don't like wetin I see you because that no look like in classmate or who can't read. I can't go upstairs. You know, say as I go upstairs, wetin I see, I see the man whole course like this, course come hold am back. As they want like that, they want kiss.
What?
I shout oh, as I enter the room, I shout. I say, course, wetin you dey do? Wetin you dey do? Why you want do this kind thing? Coach come tell me say make I get out. Make I get out. I say no, I no dey go anywhere now. Our room be this. I say no. She can't say, oh yeah, baby, let's go. And she can't come down, come here, this place, parlor, with them. They sit here. Coach keep in leg on top in leg. The man leg still hold am like this. They laugh, they talk. I miss you. As I come upstairs.
Miss what?
No, wetin I dey tell you. As I come like this, I come see them. I come shout again. I come shout, cause. They stay here. Cause come they shout for me. Say make I mind my business. Cause they say I try to help in life. And they try to help in life. Cause come tell me say make I get out, make I go room. I come tell say no. I know they go anywhere. I sit down here. I carry juice. I tell say I won't watch TV. I know they go anywhere. I know way make them do that thing where they won't do. As I come sit down for here, the man come say, oh yeah, come tell am now, say make him dey go. Another time they go continue. I come tell say no, you know if he continue. As he stand up, they go. He come say he want drink water. Cause come go kitchen, go bring water. I can't go tell the man. Say this thing when you want do my cause, you no good though. This thing when you want do my cause, you no good. As I did like that. Auntie come inside. I come dey thank yes. Okay. I come dey thank God say, hey, she come make I tell her wetin happen. Okay. Immediately as the man see auntie come run. I come dey shout for auntie make him catch am because if he catch am now he go do something, flog am, do something. You understand? Na so he no catch am o. I come dey explain to am wetin happen. Come tell am say she dey for kitchen, cause dey for kitchen. Say na him bring the man come, but she no believe me. I come tell am say make we go kitchen go check am. She cause dey there. As we enter there, I no come see cause. I don't know where she go. Auntie na come dey tell me, come dey insult my mama. Tell me say na me bring the man. Say my mama be prostitute. I don't know why auntie dey do that thing. She come tell me make I come out for outside. Make I come go kneel down. I come dey try explain to am. Say my mama, say no be me. Wetin I don't suffer today. Wait, something wey I no do.
Okay, wait. Joy.
Sir?
What you're trying to make me understand is that Amelia came back into this house with a guy.
Yes. Now which I dey try to be that?
After I and my wife left for work.
That's so. No, I come shock.
And what is she doing in here?
I asked her to come in.
Why? Without my permission?
I needed to hear her own side of the story.
But I told you what happened. Exactly what happened.
But you weren't here when it happened.
When I walked in, I saw everything. I met the man here.
You're not so sure.
Oh, really? Are you trying to suggest that a child that I birthed and I've lived with all her life brought in a man?
See,
if I slap you.
Stay out of this. Listen, that's not what I'm trying to say. The narrative I'm trying to understand here is that, there are two sides to the story. So I needed to hear both sides. Just like we have two sides to a coin.
Beautiful. So where is my child? Where is Amalia? The same Amalia whom she claimed went into the kitchen to get water for the man. Where is she?
I should be asking you that.
You should be asking me that? My child is not home. She's out. She left the house this morning for her lesson. Is she now a ghost?
I'm just saying you didn't see her.
There she is.
Oh.
There she is.
Fantastic, welcome. Yes,
welcome, princess.
To start with, where are you coming from?
Why are you asking her that? It's obvious. She's coming from her class.
Stop it. Where are you coming from? Your mom said she saw you earlier when she returned home from work. Yeah. But she snuck out of the house through the kitchen door.
That's not true. Mom, you saw me. When? How? Where?
Are you trying to say your mom is lying?
Yes, she's lying. Dad, I left this house since morning for my lesson center. And I haven't returned till now.
Of course!
See, if just shut up.
Tara.
Shut up!
Tara!
Dad, I don't know who Mom saw, but that's definitely not me.
Cause why they lie like this now? Even auntie talk through. You know if you talk through.
See, if I slap you, if you push me and I slap you, you will look at yourself in the mirror and you think it's a poorly made photocopy of yourself. Try me again, let me hear your voice. Stupid idiot. Let me hear your voice again.
What is going on? I'm confused. What is Joy talking about, Dad? Mom, what happened?
You know, it's obvious one of you is lying.
Certainly not my child.
But what's going to happen now is that both of you will go to your room. If I find out eventually who the liar is, I'll skin the person alive. I promise you both. The person won't be spared. If I find out. Excuse me.
Rubbish. Go to your room and take your bag and go and clean up and go to the kitchen and eat some food.
Okay, Mom.
Idiot.
Cause this is the way you did doing no good. I know my truth no fit come up for your mouth. Talk true for once, talk true now. Tell them wetin happen. They no go kill you. Cause
So, a matter as sensitive as this, you just discard it just like that.
I didn't discard anything. Didn't you hear what I said out there?
I did, but this came across to me as though you just, discarded it. You're treating this with so much levity. Why?
How are you so sure she's the one?
What?
Yes, you heard what I said. Because both of them are saying the same thing. So how are you so sure that our daughter is innocent?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Did you miss out the part where I said I walked in on them? I saw him.
Oh, please.
I mean, Amelia wasn't even home when I came back. I saw the boy. They were together.
Tara, please, can you not just do this?
Do what?
The kitchen. The back door is in the kitchen.
Okay, so what are you trying to say?
You know exactly what I'm saying.
Are you trying to insinuate that my child sneaked out through the kitchen door upon hearing my voice?
Well, that could be possible,
What? For a child that you know? Really? This is Amelia we're talking about. A child you've known all her life. You have lived with that child in this house. She has never lied to you for one day. And then Joy suddenly shows up from God knows where. Things start changing. Strange things are happening and you want to believe her over your own child?
And why are you trying to spew emotional blackmail here or emotional black manipulation or sort of that sort? That's not what I'm saying. And you know exactly that's not what I'm trying to say. Okay, Joy just got here yesterday, so tell me, how is it possible that Joy could have easily made a male friend already?
Why are you acting like you don't even know Joy and her history? That is your sister's daughter. Her mother was promiscuous or is. I don't even know where the story is right now. She must have picked up a trait or two from her mom. Kids pick up traits from their parents. And she can't be any different. Who knows? She probably even knew this guy before coming here to live with us. What are you saying? Why are you acting like you're so naive?
But for every time we try to have a conversation or talk about something, you have a way of sneaking in my sister's name. But first off, Joy isn't her mom.
And at what point in this conversation did I say Joy is her mom? But she's got her mother's blood.
The same blood flowing through my own vein, which happens to be the same blood flowing through our own daughter's vein.
Oh, so this is how you're gonna put it?
No, that's not how I'm trying to put it, and that's what I'm trying to explain to you. I'm trying to make it crystal clear that both of them are saying the same thing here. Can't you see the picture? Both of them, it's obvious that both of them are actually saying the same thing. We don't even know who's saying the truth. One of them is obviously lying, which you know quite well. It could be Joy, it could be our own daughter, Amelia. But until we are able to figure that out, one of them might just be the black sheep, which is why I'll have to keep a close eye on both of them. Come on.
John, you seem to be the only one in confusion here. I am not. I know my child. My child is innocent. Oh yes. I know the child that I birthed. She couldn't have picked up that thread of prostitution from the streets because her mother isn't. Okay, fine. If you don't know what to do, I know what to do. Excuse me.
Why you go do this kind of thing, I beg? Why? Why? You no good though. This thing where you do no good. Can you stop disturbing me? Can you? Why you go like give your mama and your papa? You no good. Why? I won't love to repeat myself again.
Where is that useless girl?
Mom.
Listen and listen very good. I do not care what you do with your miserable life. Okay? If you want to be as unfortunate and stupid as your useless mother in the village, then go ahead. But please, leave my innocent and precious daughter out of your mess. Because as it is, your life is obviously messed up already. But leave my child out of it. I'm not going to tell you this again. Do I make myself clear? Useless child. Daughter of a cheap village prostitute. Yes! Where do you think this is? A brothel? Rubbish.
Hello, Mama.
My pikin, how are you? My pikin, you still there, dear?
Yes. Yes, I
Wow.
did here.
This one way your voice they sound like this. Eh? I hope say you did okay. Oh.
Yes, I did okay. Oh. I did very fine.
You sure?
I did.
Okay. How John, my brother, now? How John and the people? I hope say them they treat you well, oh.
Yes, they try.
But this one way you call me, they sound like this. You dey okay?
Yes, everything dey okay. I just say make I call you. I don't dey miss you. Make I hear your voice more.
I know. And me self, I dey miss you for here. I dey miss you. But my pikin, it good as you go that place. It good as you go there so that you for fit go school. I no go make you do the kind mistake wey me I do. Now I want me you dey with John, my brother. Make you dey there, they go school.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Oh yeah, since you say everything dey okay now, no wahala. I dey farm. Make I dey walk. I go talk to you later, okay?
I called you both out because I want us to discuss what happened here earlier. How old are you? Mm.
16, Dad. 16 years.
And how old are you?
I did 14.
You know the worst mistake you both can actually make is keeping male friends at this your age. They have nothing, absolute nothing to offer you both aside to ruining your lives. And as such, I would want both of you to concentrate on your education.
Just like I'm doing. Concentrating on my education. Not like...
And I never asked for your opinion, Amelia. If you were actually concentrating on your education, then why did you fail JAMB last year?
Dad. It's not my fault what I read did come out.
Oh, it's now your daddy's fault that what you read did not come out. And I hope whatever you're reading now will eventually come out this year.
I hope so.
Anyway, that's not the crux of the conversation. Now, both of you, listen. You see the report I got earlier today? I don't want it to ever repeat itself again in my house. In my house. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Dad.
Regardless, I am still going to get to the root of everything that went down today. And eventually I find out the liar. I'll skin the person alive.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Dad.
So now, Amelia, I will need you to go to your room. I want to have a word with Joy. Now.
Excuse me.
Hey, come back here.
Dad?
Come back here. Turn to her. Apologize for that.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Great. So now can you avoid her legs and move? Joy, please come close. I want to have a word with you.
Make her come.
I know I brought you here because I said I was going to make sure that I sent you to school.
Yes.
And I am still keen on that. It's not changing anytime soon, okay?
Yes.
Just that this term is almost over. So we'll have to wait until next term.
Oh, okay.
So while we are at it, I will have to instruct Amelia to put you through during this holiday session.
Yes. Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes. Yes. So this after this one, this one we don't finish now. Go another one.
You're starting next term.
Oh, the next one. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you. Where can I go? Thank you. Hey, next one I go school.
My father said he's going to investigate what happened the other day.
What?
All this is happening because of that Joy of a girl. She just moved in and everything is falling apart. I need to go back to my life.
I need to make sure I send that girl to wherever village she's coming from. I need to go back to the way we do live together. But that can happen with that girl in that house.
What are you thinking?
We need to make my father believe she lied. We need to make him believe she was with you. If that happens, I can get to my mother to push him to send her out of the house.
And how will you make that happen?
Where's that girl? Where's she? Where's that girl? Joy! Joy!
Uncle, welcome.
Come here. So it's you.
Waiting, I don't understand waiting.
Don't you dare!
Jesus!
Don't you dare!
Jesus!
You stupid! Explain this to me. Explain it. So what's a young boy doing outside? Looking for you and with your clothes. So this is what you do.
You didn't get my
You
clothes.
want to follow in your mother's footsteps, right?
No, how I go take follow? I don't know how you take get my clothes. I don't even know what you they talk.
You just shut your mouth up before I cut your tongue and I feed it to you for you to eat. Are you stupid? How dare you? You don't talk when I'm talking. So this is a life you want to live.
Uncle, they tell you.
I said don't talk when I'm talking. Don't be stupid. Is this how you want to live your life? I thought you were different. Yeah, I was thinking you were different. But then, of course, you just proved me wrong. And this is how you're going to end up becoming very useful and responsible in your life.
Uncle, no be so easy.
I swear on everything that I put there, if you open your mouth and talk again, I will make sure I send you to... Don't allow me mention that word or make that statement I can take back. Okay, fine, you're gonna do this. If that's all you want to live this type of life, definitely not in my house, not under my watch. And now you will go outside, you raise your hands up, open your eyes, open your mouth, and you remain there till I figure out what to do.
I feel like that swear. I feel like that swear. I don't know what you they talk.
Nonsense. Now it's obvious that my wife was actually correct. Look, I wasn't done with Chioma, and now you're bringing your attitude. And to think that I was even fighting with my wife about it.
Did you bring it?
Of course I did. Yeah.
Good. I brought the nylon.
It's almost time. My father will soon be home, so you need to go to our gate and stand.
Okay.
Don't forget our plan.
Of course not. I remember.
Very good. See you later.
All right.
I can see my plan worked.
So now you do this thing. Cause now you do me this thing.
Don't really shut up. Keep quiet. Yes, I did it. And so? What?
Why you could do me this kind of thing? Are they innocent? I don't do you anything. Still you
keep quiet. Let me tell you. My life was moving smoothly. I do whatsoever thing I want to do in this house and no one knows. Not until you moved in. Oh, you think you can ruin my life for me? You can't. I can't wait for my father to send you back to that bush you came from. Rubbish. Oh, Dad!
Hey. You're back.
Yes, Dad. Good day.
Yeah, good day.
Dad, what happened?
I owe you an apology.
All right, but...
Come sit.
Before then, I saw Joy kneeling outside. I tried to talk to her about what happened and why she's staying outside, but she didn't respond to me. Is there a problem?
Like I said before, I owe you an apology. You know, I discovered she was the one that brought in that guy into this house.
Oh.
Yes. And, come. I am so sorry to have not listened to you when you told me you were innocent.
It's fine, Daddy. It's not a problem. I'm used to her.
Thank you. Come here, give Daddy a hug.
So Dad, so what will happen to her?
Baby, I do not want that girl to corrupt my child. So please, can you just take her back to where you brought her?
Babe, this is the best decision I can take. She can't go back.
Why? I mean, make me understand. Why can't she go back?
Because I don't want her to end up like her mom. Can't you see the picture?
Okay, so what's the point? What's the whole point?
Babe, the point is... she can't go back.
She can go back?
Yes.
I mean, so it doesn't matter whether or not she makes my child uncomfortable or she tries to corrupt her. She can't just go back. This is the same girl that almost got my child framed up. And you're just acting like nothing is going on.
Okay, yes, I agree. She did that. Did she succeed? No. The truth came out, isn't it?
Okay, so it doesn't bother you at all?
Not that it doesn't really bother me. It does, but there's nothing I can literally do. I can't send her back to her mom. The only thing that I think we can do here that's ideal is to discipline her.
You know what? I don't care what you think or say. She has to go back. She must have to go back.
Not when we discipline her, babe. Think about this.
That girl will corrupt my child. How else do you want me to make you understand this?
Babe, I'm trying. Okay. Listen. I made a promise actually to my sister to take very good care of her daughter, to nurture her and groom her properly. And the only ideal thing I can do is to keep her here and not let her lose herself. All I ask for is your help. help me in doing
At the
this.
detriment of my child and my happiness, right? You know what? I'm actually done having this conversation.
Babe, please, where you going?
Leave me alone.
Hey, babe, where you going? Babe. Babe, you're leaving your phone. Oh, Tara. Why you being so difficult? You're making things very difficult for me. Will you keep quiet? Will you keep quiet? Now this is nothing compared to what I will do to you the very next time I see you around with a guy. Do I make myself clear? So now you'll go inside there, have your bath, and get a good sleep while you reflect on your life. No form of indiscipline would be tolerated around me or in this house. Okay? Now move it.
Who let the dog out? Who did? Wow. So, she's finally leaving. I knew it. I know my father is going to send you out of the house immediately he finds out you're not following boys at your age. Well, I'm leaving. And in case you've gone before I'm back, I want you to know that I'm happy to miss you. Take care of yourself. So, our plan worked.
Really?
Yes, it did. My father is going to send that fool out of the house. And you know what that means? Mm-hmm. We're going to have our life back without anyone trying to disturb us.
Finally, that's good news. That girl has disturbed us too much.
You can say that again. So, don't you miss me?
Of course I do now. I've missed you so much.
can't wait to have you again.
What? What? What are you doing here? Huh? You're supposed to have left this house by now.
I beg, cause I don't know where you carry come back. I no get strength. I no get strength to fight. I no get strength to even talk.
Are you mad? I'm asking you a question and you're talking back at... You're what? Leave my pillow! Get off my bed! Get out! What are you doing here?
Hey! You think say today na one of those days where you go tell me make I come out for bed? I go like that for ground? No. No! Nonsense.
Who is this?
Na me, Joy, na me.
I can't take this anymore. Mom! 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 How? Why? Why is that girl still in this house? She should have gone by now.
Princess, it's not me. It's not like I'm happy she's here. It's your father.
Dad?
Yes.
Why would Dad still let her stay in this house after what she did?
I don't know.
Mom.
I have done everything to talk senses into your father, but he's not listening to me. You know he's very stubborn.
Doesn't he get it? That girl framed me up with a guy. What if she comes up with another plan and you and Dad don't believe me? Huh? She needs to go because I'm no longer comfortable with her in this house.
I'm not either. I don't know what else to do. What am I going to do? Dear Lord. What is this? Jesus Christ.
Timmy, they call me.
Joy.
Yes, Auntie.
I would like you to return to your mother.
To my mama? But I never...
Shut up. You talk too much. What's the problem? How many times do I have to tell you never to interrupt me when I'm talking? How many times? Haven't you realized how clumsy you are as a human being? You're so slow processing. Like, seriously? In this empty head of yours, you cannot even keep a single simple instruction somewhere in there? You have something as big as a coconut hanging on your neck. You don't even use it. Now listen and listen very good. When my husband comes back from work, I need you to go to him. Tell him that you do not want to stay here anymore. In fact, you can tell him that you miss your mother and you would like to go back and stay with her. Okay? Okay?
Auntie, may you no be like say I know dey respect you, but I no fit.
What?
I no fit now.
You cannot.
I no fit.
Really?
Now why I come here? No be say I no like to stay with my mama. I love my mama. In fact, na because of my mama I come here. I get dream. My dream, I get dream way big. I want go school. Go learn all these things wey una dey speak for here. If una dey talk, I go dey understand some things. I go dey talk too. If I go school now, learn all these plenty things, I go get money well. I go find work where they give money. If I come get money well, buy motor, buy house, buy everything. Come go carry my mama come out for that place where she dey. Where she dey, I no like am. The place where she dey, I no like am. So it may no be like say I just come here, sit down, they look una. Me, I no get dream like una. I get dream. I beg.
You have a dream.
I get. I get.
Yet the first opportunity you get in life, you started frolicking around with boys.
Me?
For someone who has a dream.
Auntie, you see me where stand here now, me, where they call Joy. I know, see that thing where cause say me I do. I don't do am. You supposed know, you don't know me, but I don't do am. Person like me no go fit do that kind thing. In fact, I don't dey tell you before. I don't dey tell you, no dey believe me. Na cause me una stop am.
Listen and listen very good. One more time. If you dare call my daughter's name in your cooked up lies, I am going to mess you up big time. By the time I'm done with you, you'll look into the mirror and all you see is a badly made copy of yourself. Beyond recognition, do not ever try it again. This is not a threat, okay? I mean every word. You are not going to live in this house. The sooner you get that into your empty head, the better for you. You are going to do exactly as I say. Go to my husband, tell him that you do not wish to remain in this house. Otherwise,
If not to mob, I feel mob. If not to clean, I feel clean. Anything, you don't get anything where you tell me make I do, I no do.
Get out.
I beg now.
Get out!
Auntie, I like you. I like you. I don't like this thing
Get
where you
out.
dey do.
Where is this girl from again? This is not just stupidity and foolishness. It's a mixture of madness somewhere in there. I think you inherited it from your mom as well. This is not all about your mother's story. Somewhere deep down, she was actually mad at some point. Let's see how far you can stay in this house. Rubbish.
I thought you said your father is sending her out of the house.
I thought so too. But it's so obvious he doesn't even plan on sending her out anytime soon.
So, what is going to happen now?
I don't know. Although my mother has promised me to try everything within her power to send that fool out of the house.
Okay, I guess that's good news then.
Yes, but I think for the meantime, we need to stop seeing. At least until my mom and I are able to send that fool out of the house.
What? No. How long is that going to take? How do you expect me to survive without seeing you for such a long time?
I know. Same with me. I won't be able to survive. But we escaped the last time doesn't mean we can escape next time. My parents are going to kill me if they ever find out about you and I. So we need to play safe for now.
I understand. But I'm going to miss you so much.
I'm going to miss you too.
Come in.
Auntie May, you've been coming before.
Anyways, I'm leaving for work. I needed to go into my wardrobe, pick every pieces you see in there. I mean, when I say pieces, I mean my clothes, all right? Wash them and have them all ironed before I come back.
You mean everything where there will be your clothes? Every single.
Are you also deaf? You heard me, right? I am not in the habit of repeating myself. I don't like it.
Sorry, Auntie.
Don't make me do that.
But they wash plates now. I feel do them after. Like, when I wash plates finish.
I really do not care what you do or not with your life. All right? No one is asking you what you're doing or not doing or what you're going to do.
I just
Shh. Please, do not talk while I'm talking.
Sorry, Auntie.
All right? The instruction is, have my clothes washed, ironed, all, I mean, before I come back from work. All right?
Okay, Auntie.
Now, get out.
Sorry, Auntie. Good morning, Uncle.
Yeah, morning. All your clothes?
Mm-hmm.
You know you have lots of clothes. And you're expected to wash all of them.
I don't care. You asked me to discipline her, right? That's exactly what I'm doing. Discipline.
Hey, but certainly not in this way. Yes, you have lots of clothes. So do you expect her to wash all of them, including the neat ones?
Oh, so you also have to teach me or tell me how to discipline? I don't get it.
I am not teaching you and I am not lecturing you, actually, if that's what you're thinking. Okay, come to think of it. Our daughter Amelia, I have never seen you ask her to wash all your clothes, including the neat ones.
That's very simple. That's because Amelia does not go around playing with boys. But she does. So, if she's busy, probably she won't have the time to play around with boys. That's simple. Please, don't come tell me what to do and how to do it.
I just hope you don't regret your choices.
You know what? If you're not comfortable with my pattern of parenting, you can as well take her back to her mother. Maybe she can do a better job. Excuse me. Have a nice day at work.
Okay.
And what sort of rubbish did you do with my clothes?
You tell me make I wash them now. I wash everything. I even rinse them 2 times. See what's happen.
So this is how best, this is the best you can produce?
No.
So your cheap, miserable mom didn't even teach you the decency on how to wash clothes and have them ironed?
Auntie me, I don't understand. Because all these clothes, I iron even, not be only these ones. You say everything, so it gets somewhere I pack.
Keep quiet. Aside talking, what else can you even do? Oh no, of course, prostituting. That's all your mother knows how to do. And she taught you well. She could even raise a decent child that can wash and iron. You know what? I don't really have time for this. You're gonna have all this rewashed and ironed and brought back in one piece. And don't piss me off. Do you understand?
See me, I don't wash everything with there for you. I don't explain to you now.
Don't piss me off. Get going. Now.
See me, don't
piss me off. And you're not gonna eat anything in this house until you finish washing and ironing. Now, move it. Now. Handle with care. What's the slow motion about? Do you want me to activate you? Get out! Silly thing. Your mother only knows how to prostitute and bring up prostitutes. Rubbish.
Okay. Take. Make sure you wash them very, very well.
So what's in this one coming? What's in the meaning of this one now?
Are you blind?
No, talk to me. No, they insult me. Talk to me.
That's my clothes. Make sure you wash them properly.
If you like say something, don't they worry you for your head. Craze don't enter your head. As you find rich, now so your craze rich. Something don't enter your head. How you go bring your clothes? We don't even reach 3. See it. 1, 2, 3. You don't reach 3. You bring and make a wash them. You don't feel put them for water wash them. Eh?
Are you mad? Am I the one you're talking to this way?
And they talk to you that way. Hi. You better come carry this clothes. You better come carry this clothes because if your favorite clothes there for here, it don't spoil be that. Because rain go fall on top of them. Sun go come, dry them for you here. You go come pick them after the next 2 days because the sun they go dry them very well.
You're just saying rubbish. Listen, you will wash these clothes, and if you don't, you will tell me who is who in this house.
Oh, who is who now? Wait till they find now. Who you? Who is who? No, nah. You for come stand here, they tell me who be who. Nonsense. See as they stand like what I don't know. Better go carry this clothes. See clothes. Clothes not even reach 3. You want come no see the amount of clothes where I get for here. Nonsense. Carry this clothes. Come up for here. I'm not gonna wash them. I'm not gonna wash them. If you like, come show me who is who. You go tell me who you be. That's what they do for here. Rich men and children will get money. Maybe I don't get money, but I go beat you. I go beat you. I go wire you. I go use mouth finish you. This is a game mouth. What human being they see? This is you they do their run now. Hi, auntie.
And what is going on here? What are we celebrating?
She not gonna understand. You know, say I don't wash tire. I don't wash. So I say I sleep no one come my eye. Make I watch small TV. Then I go inside. I wash everything, all the clothes where you give me. I even iron.
You're talking to me seated. You're talking to me seated.
Sive.
Get up!
Get up. Oh, make I stand.
You know, your problem is that you forget yourself easily. Who do you think you are?
Joy, ma.
Joy? What is joy? I mean, in the order of things, importance and prominence, if we have to count, I'm sure before we ever made joy, we should have counted like 10 billion. And you think you were something, right? You're talking to me seated on a couch, spreading on my couch that you do not even know the worth. Where are my daughter's clothes?
Oh, those ones we cause give me. Then they are size for grand.
And why is that, if I may ask?
I tell am, auntie, I talk am say, this clothes wey they give me, na 3 a day. 3. I come tell her say make she use her hand now wash am. In fact, it go help us. We go the gist, they talk. When she even come, I get clothes way full for there where I go wash. So now help, I want help am.
Help? Have you been able to help your entire generation, including your mom? You want to help my child? You will obviously need all the help in the world. What help are you talking about? Because I'm lost. Are you trying to say that you want to help me train my child?
No be that kind help, oh. Hey, no, you not hear what I.
You think you're better?
Hey, no, how I go things? No, auntie.
Okay, so I sent clothes to you and then you left them on the floor.
Jesus, now you send them. Say, hey, I no fit now. I go here say now you bring clothes and no go wash them. Make I go pack and wash them. Go forbid and I no go do them again. I dey sorry, I beg.
Okay, so this is you trying to say that my daughter does not have the right to ask you to do something for her. She cannot send you on an errand.
No be so e be.
Okay, so how is it?
No be so e be. Now you get how person go take ask you and you go.
See, before I open my closed eyes, now get out, run! As fast as your legs can carry you and make sure you have those clothes washed, ironed, and brought back. Silly idiot. Can you imagine?
Yes, baby. I've missed you. I'll call you back.
What? Come on, will you stand up? How many times will I warn you to stop sitting on my bed?
I beg. Cause I don't tire. You know what's happened today? I don't tire. I beg. Just day or day make a day my day.
Really? Get up! Are you deaf? Didn't you see what I said? I said stop sitting on my bed.
Why you for me? Why you for me? I know why they leave you. I know why they leave you for this house. I just they keep quiet. Make they zuzu. But as I dey respect myself, just respect yourself before I beat Grace come out for your body.
What did you just say?
My radio know they talk twice.
No!
If you not hear the first one, you leave them. When I take action, you go know what I talk.
Oh! You would have repeated yourself. No. You would have repeated yourself. Then you tell me who seniors who in this house.
Oh, now the person when they find so be that. Who senior who? Now the person when they find Shebi? You go find am now. But yeah, come now. Shebi, you get sense. Come get strength, Joy. Come.
Joy.
Come for me again.
Joy.
I know wetin go happen.
Joy, you know.
No, come for me. Why they call my name?
You know me as a very
Why
peaceful
you they
person.
call my?
I'm very peaceful.
You say what?
I am very, very peaceful.
You the baby what?
Please, get out from my bed. Stand up. Stand.
You know what?
See, I go. Oh!
Where is this girl?
Joy. Joy. Are you deaf? Why did you let me repeat your name? Why?
I know not be work. I suppose work come here. Now small go they run. I don't know what you want me to do.
You don't get me water. I'm just and be fast about it.
I don't understand. Which one be go and get me what? Okay, you dey speak for there for me. No be you sit down for here. No be you sit down for here. Why you no go wear this your slippers? Walk, go enter kitchen, go.
Shut up. Keep your mouth shut. Listen, I'm older than you with 2 years. So you will do as I say.
Na lie. You no fit tell me wetin I go do. You no go tell me wetin I go do. I no be your maid for this house.
Okay. Now, look around you.
What do you mean by look? I don't look. What you go do again? I don't look.
Does it look like the place your prostitute of your mother stays? Does it?
What do you call my mother now?
Prostitute.
See, no ever in your life. No try call my mother that thing again. Why you go open mouth call my mother that thing?
Listen, your mother is not only a prostitute, but a whore.
Why you go call my mother hoe? Why you go call my mother hoe? I go beat you! Why you go call my mother hoe? You go call my mother hoe? I go beat you!
What in God's name is going on here? Mom! Baby, what happened? I didn't do her anything at all. What happened to you?
Out! Where's the bag? Take your feet. Out of this place.
Hey, wait. What?
And don't let me see you
Hey,
here again.
babe, what's up?
Stupid idiot.
What's going on here?
Look at my child. Can you imagine?
What happened?
Dad, she hit me on my face.
What?
Animal.
No be so happen. Go talk to her. No be so happen. She call me make her bring water from. She start to insult my mama. They call her hole. Come tell her say make she know they insult my mama.
Dad, she's denying. I didn't say anything like that. Dad, you know me. I can't do such. I only asked her to get me a glass of water. She started hitting me.
Of course, no, they lie like this. No be waiting happen.
Will you shut up your stupid mouth? Will you keep quiet? And so what about it? Why did she call your mother names? Does that give you any rights whatsoever to lay your filthy hands on my child? Where do you think you are? Do you think this is... Are you...
I did sorry.
Sorry for your poor, miserable soul. You fool. Don't you dare. Listen and listen very good. You are going to go back to the gutters where you crawled out from. Alright? Because I can't... Shh. Do not dare. Talk back when I'm talking. Listen, baby. This girl, return her to wherever you brought her from. Because I cannot have a stray dog like this come into my house and lay her hands on my child. I am not going to tolerate it.
Okay, just leave that to me. I will handle it.
Perfect. I want to believe you were taking her right back to the park.
I will handle it.
So she can crawl back to her pits. Fool.
Babe.
Let's go, baby.
I don't know why she hates me so much. I don't know.
Mommy, this thing made it no good now. Come talk true. Uncle, I don't know what she just insult my mama. She won't come my face. Come
Why
tell me.
do you have to hit her? You don't have to hit. Why didn't you wait until I return and you report it to me?
First you call your mama hole. You no go hit her. You go wait. You call my mama hole. Even though I don't know.
And now I don't know what to believe. I don't know who's telling the truth and who's lying.
Me, they talk true.
Pick up the clothes.
I don't want to go. I beg.
And I hope you have returned that garbage back to where you picked her.
Tara, she's mopping the house, after which she'll have to apologize to Amelia.
And that's all? Mop and then apologize? Like seriously, that girl almost got my daughter killed. And this is all you just have to say about it?
Why are you exaggerating?
Really?
She did not almost kill our daughter. Moreover, they are kids and children fight, you know.
John, why are you always defensive of her? Why?
Come on, I am not. Like I said before, I am punishing her.
Oh, so you're waiting for her to kill my child just like her mother killed your parents, right? That's what you're waiting for.
Tara, must you always bring in my sister's name, Chioma, or any member of my family whenever we're trying to have a conversation or discussion that has to do with Joyce?
But that's a child. It is what it is. A goat would always birth a goat. Yes. Just send her back.
I won't.
Really?
Yes, and it's final.
Where is this idiot? So if you think I am going to let you do that to my child and go away with it, you have something else coming. You have something else coming. See, I am not...
Stop it now, stop it.
Let go. John, let go! I am
you?
not going to watch this girl make my daughter miserable in her own house.
Hey, but this is someone else's child. Stop it.
I'm not done with you. Idiots.
Come. Sorry. Easy. Sit. Sorry, hope she didn't hurt you. Sorry. Okay, you know what? Sorry. I'll go talk to her, okay? I'll see it to the end of this, okay?
Hello, John.
This is not John. My name is Tara, John's wife.
Tara Madugwe. Tara, you and your mama them have been daily for a village that time now. Now they were never there for village that year. So now you later come marry my brother. Chai.
My brother's wife. Of course, I am your brother's wife. But how would you know? When you had to run away after killing your parents.
I know. I know so I do you for this my life. And I regret them every day. I regret everything when I do.
Well, I didn't call you to recount your regrets. Okay, that is your business. Please, this conversation, I'll just go straight to the point. Come to my house and come and carry your child from my house.
I don't understand.
What is there not to understand? Are you that dull? What is so difficult in understanding? Come and carry your child, though. Come and carry your cursed child, the prostitute of a daughter that you raised. Come and take her from my house. I do not want her to contaminate my child.
How you go call my pikin prostitute now?
Before Uncle, what are you? What are you? A child of a prostitute is a prostitute, isn't it? See, your child knows nothing other than to frolic about with boys, just like you did or you're still doing. So please, come and carry your messed up child. You cannot raise a bad child and then bring her into my house to pollute mine.
I deserve everything when you want tell me, but I take go beg you, I beg. No bring my pikin inside this matter.
Just shut up that gutter you call a mouth. What nonsense. Who do you think you're talking to? What audacity. Who gave you the gods? Are you alright? See, if you do not come and pick your child from my house, I will strangle her.
I beg no touch my pikin. I take God beg you.
Then you better run fast. Run fast. Borrow transport because I know you don't have. Run as fast as your legs can carry you. And come and carry your dustbin from my house.
Tara, I take God beg you.
Tara!
You think my house is
Tara!
Is a refugee camp, yes?
Tara!
It's a refugee camp that you can just come and dump every garbage. Fools.
Tara! Hello? Tara!
Yes.
Tara, I am talking
John!
to you. Don't walk out on me.
What?
What is wrong with you?
What?
How could you? Why will you call my sister and threaten her?
Threat? Oh, is that what you call it? Like seriously? I meant every bit of what I said to her. If she doesn't come to my house to pick up the garbage she left in my house as a child, I am going to deal with her.
You won't lay a single finger on her. And you won't address a human being as garbage.
And if I do, what happens?
Auntie!
No, tell me, what happens?
Uncle!
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Cause. I just enter room and see am she like that for grass. She no wan wake up. I try. Jesus.
You see who?
I see am for ground. I try wake am up, but I don't know why you know they wake up. Hey, Uncle. Cause, how she dey? How Cause dey now?
She's fine.
Oh, she dey okay. Nothing happen. Wetin happen? Why? Cause, welcome. Auntie me, welcome, ma.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. I didn't know how it happened. It was a mistake. Yes, Mom, it was a mistake. I'm sorry.
Amelie,
Who is the father of the bastard in your stomach?
Mom,
I do not wish to repeat myself for the last time. Who is the father of the bastard?
See,
if I slap you, whatever is holding your tongue will release it. I'm listening.
Mommy, it's Oliver.
Who is Oliver?
The same guy you saw with Joy the other day. I lied. Joy wasn't with him. It was me. I was the one. I'm so sorry.
What? Emilia.
Chad, Mom, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please, I'm sorry.
Emilia.
That was you?
Where's your discipline?
No, I'm not going to touch you. But you're definitely going to take me to the house of the idiots. But move.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Lead me, don't worry about it. Keep it sorry to yourself. You have to show me the idiot that got you pregnant.
Mom.
Mm-hmm. Yes? Where are we going? Where?
Mom, I don't know where he lives.
You what?
I don't know where he stays.
You do not know? You do not know where who stays? The idiot that has been sleeping with you?
Yes, Mom. I'm serious. We usually meet in a spot, but he has never taken me to his house.
What? Amalia, you have been sleeping with a man you know nothing about? Not even his address?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
Mom, I'm sorry.
How is sorry going to fix this? Why did you do this to me? What did I ever do to you to deserve this? After all my warnings, my discipline, my trainings and everything, this is how you want to pay me back. You have been sleeping with a man for God knows how long under my roof in my own house without me knowing, and you do not even know where he lives. Ah, Amalia. Amalia! There's no problem. You are going to go out there and look for that idiot. Alright? Find him! Otherwise, I do not ever want to see you in my life again.
I'm sorry. Mommy, please.
Stupid girl.
Mommy, I'm sorry.
If I slap you, if I use this anger to slap you, I swear you will not make it.
Mom, I'm sorry. Mommy, I'm sorry, please. Forgive me. Mommy, I'm sorry.
Amalia, don't make it harder than it is. Do not make it harder than it is. It's your last warning.
Mommy, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mommy.
Are you seriously?
Mommy, I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
Mom! I'm sorry! Mom! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! I'm sorry! What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Mom, I'm sorry! I'm sorry!
What is she doing here?
I asked them to come in. They take her into her room.
You know, we can't actually throw away our daughter because she's pregnant.
I did everything. I gave her everything. I mean the best of everything, and the only way she can pay me back is to get pregnant for somebody she doesn't even know. What have I done to deserve this?
Maybe, just maybe this is a lesson that one can actually come from a decent family and still be indecent. You know, we should learn not to judge people based on their backgrounds and past. Take a good look at us. We are one lovely family, well put together. But what happened? Our daughter got pregnant right under our nose. But look at Joy, on the other hand. Oh, she's just fine, irrespective of her faulty background. You see, we are not defined by our backgrounds or past. We are only defined by the choices we make. And I guess our daughter made a terrible one. But what are we gonna do? Throw it away? No. We just have to stick together as one family and support as much as we can. Am I happy about it? Hell no. I am devastated as much as you are. But we have to do what we have to do to support our daughter. No matter what happens, she remains our own child.
I thought I was raising a decent child. But I failed. I failed at being a mom. I failed.
You didn't fail.
I'm ashamed of myself.
Hey. Don't say that to yourself, okay? We did our best.
I failed.
No. Do not take this blame alone. I'm here for you. Our daughter got pregnant right under our nose doesn't mean that we failed or we failed the spirit. All we need to do is just to stick together as one family, embrace her, and show her that we love her, and pick it up from there. Come here. It's okay. It's okay.
Everything go dey fine. I beg, no dey cry again. I beg. What's happening?
It's Oliver.
What's that one come down?
I don't know what's wrong. Since I sent him that I'm pregnant, he hasn't responded to my message.
Hey.
He's not even picking up my calls.
Hey.
What have I done to myself? What have I done to myself? Ah!
Oh. You don't do. Hey, I don't like this way they do yourself. I don't like them, I beg. Reduce the cry. It go give you a headache. Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated you. I thought you staying in this house will ruin the chances of me being with Oliver. I think towards that. I'm sorry.
You don't do, I beg. No, they cry again. You don't do. I don't forgive you. Since I don't forgive you. You don't do. See, you be my cause, oh. You be my cause. And nothing will make me, Joy. They angry with you. No. I feel para, I feel shout. No, I get mama, but I no go fit stay angry with you. I don't like this thing way they do.
Mom. Dad. I know it's very hard for you both, but please forgive me. I'm sorry. I know I've disappointed you, but please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Amalia, you know that the next 8 months of your life is going to be really stressful. And you will need all the strength in the world, right?
This is not the life I wanted for my child, my daughter. This is not the life I envisaged for you. But your father and I are...
Your father has been talking to me. And I've come to realize that there is no need crying over a spilled milk. So whether we like it or not, we, as a family, we have to accept the new change. But I hope this teaches you a lesson. That any man that comes to you at this age and stage of your life means no good. They just want to destroy and mess you up. And when they're done sleeping with you, what do? They dump you. Well, I and your father, we are going to be there for your child. We're going to be there for you. No matter what, we can't throw you out because you are ours. But you have to promise me one thing. No matter what, you have to complete your education. After birthing your child, you must find the strength to put your pieces together and move on. Because no matter what, you are going to birth that child. You have to be responsible for the decisions, the decisions you make in life, whether good or bad.
It cannot be overly emphasized.
Joy.
Yes, Auntie.
Joy. I am genuinely, honestly, and sincerely very sorry. I owe you an apology. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry to have judged you. Now I understand that we cannot judge a person by his or her background, but by the content of his or her character. Joy, you've proven to the world that regardless of what your past is like, you can still be great. And believe me, you turned out great. Your mother, she did an amazing job. She raised a good child. Looking back, I am not proud of myself. I feel so ashamed. I'm sorry.
I beg you, don't do. This thing now don't touch me. Huh? See, I don't forgive you. I don't forgive you since. I don't even hold anything from my heart against you. I promise. It just say, my mama tell me. My mama sit me down one day, want me say, man don't do something for life. Man don't do something for this life. So he tell me, say, make I avoid anything when they call man. So, till today, I tell myself, say, no be my business. Man, me, we no get concern. No get business. But I don't forgive everybody.
Thank you.
I don't forgive everybody for their house.
Look at my child. Mommy.
Just
look at my child. Mommy, I'm sorry. My child.
Your mom will be so surprised and happy to see you.
Mom! Mommy!
No be ma.
Mom!
Joy! 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 Joy, no, you made this?
It's me! It's me!
Joy, how you
Ade! Mom, guess what?
Wait till be that.
I now know how to speak like people from the city.
She speak Hey! My
Mom,
brother
you're looking
Joy.
as beautiful as always.
You say as you fine. You dey smell city like this. God bless you.
Sis, God bless you too.
Thank
God bless you. Thank
Everything
you.
when you put your hand, it go work.
Amen.
As you do for me, you all know loss.
Amen.
How about for city day now?
Yeah, fine. I mean, yeah, you know, right? She's doing well. And Auntie Tara, she's doing very well too.
Hey, I know what you want to say. Hold it. Everything is fine, okay? Trust me, this is not the end of the road. You see, life presents us with second opportunity. So let's just start there and start from experience.
Yes.
I know.
Yes.
But I still just wish, say, I feel carry the hand of time. Go back.
But you can't go back when we are here already. We can only go forward from here, right? Thank you.
So if you can do
Mom, we bought something. We bought
Yes,
plenty
we bought
things.
something, so you actually...
Plenty things.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, yeah, let's go show me.
Uncle, please open the door.
Hey, city girl! City